Kaya ito lang yung nangyayari, pag kayong dalawa lang, sobrang sweet niya sa'yo. Pero pag may kasama na kayong iba, kaibigan lang ang pakilala niya sa'yo. Ano? Tama na agad. Yung ang galing niya magpatawa, pero sa mga kaibigan niya, hindi kanya magawang mapakilala. And today, you know, I just wanna drift away a little from how we usually do this song. And you know, we have a unique opportunity to talk to all of you today. And this is really from our hearts. We feel like now more than ever, our generation, the technology that we have, mas madali ngayon yung makipag-talking stage kahit walang kalinawan. Ang masakit, kung gaano kadali makipag-usap, ganoon lang din kadali i-ghost ka kung ayaw na sa'yo. And today, the goal is not just to sing a sad song. Before kami makiat, nag-usap kami sa band. Sabi ko, you know, tonight is a really unique opportunity to talk to people. And to remind them na may choice po kayo. Sabi mo sa katabi mo, may choice ka naman. Hindi po agad nag-chat sa sayo, wala ka ng choice kundi mag-reply sa kanya. At hindi porket pinaramdam lang sa'yo yung konting kilig, wala ka ng choice kung di i-reciprocate ito ng buong pagmamahal. Today, we want to remind you that you have a choice to value clarity.